All right, our final lesson is going to be taking a polynomial and dividing it by a binomial. Remember, a binomial has two terms. So, let's look at our problem. We have x squared plus 7x minus 8. This is a polynomial. It's actually a trinomial. And we're going to divide it by x minus 1, which is a binomial. Well, the first thing that you're going to do when you're asked to solve a problem like this is if there's anything you can factor, factor it. Okay, so I noticed that this being a trinomial, I can factor this. I have negative 8, so let's list the factors of 8. Since it's negative, I need opposite signs. Okay, my biggest one needs to be positive. So that means my 8 and my 4 need to be positive. I'm going to make 1 and 2 negative. So all three of these multiply to negative 8, but only negative 1 and 8 will add to give me positive 7. So my factored form for my numerator will be x minus 1 times x plus 8, all over x minus 1. Now, since these two are multiplied together, they're considered to be factors, this number times this number. So since this one is x minus 1 and this one is x minus 1, I can cancel these out to a 1. And I have 1 times x plus 8, which is just x plus 8. Okay? So whatever is left is your answer. So step 1 is to factor anything you can factor, whether it be GCF, difference of two squares, trinomial, factor by grouping, whatever the case may be. And then look for common factors and cancel those out. And those common factors will cancel out to 1s. And whatever is left, that's going to be your answer. So here's your steps. Factor, numerator and denominator, cancel out common factors to 1, and then whatever is left is your answer. So looking at number 1, I have 21 here. It's positive, so I need same signs. That's two positives or two negatives. The middle number tells me that both of those signs need to be negative. So when I list my factors of 21, I need to make all of them negative. Now all of these multiply to 21, but only negative 3 and negative 7 will add to give me negative 10. So I'm going to have x minus 3, x minus 7, all over x minus 7. So now you see x minus 7 and x minus 7 are common factors, so I can cancel those out to 1. Whatever is left, which is my x minus 3, is going to be my solution. Y'all have a great day.